Hi, good morning. It's me, Cherry, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chepai. Today is March 24, 2021. It's around 21 degrees Celsius in Dubai. It's cool and windy, and it's just perfect for our green thumbs. But before I proceed further, please hit like and subscribe to my channel so you can see the progress of my Dubai garden, especially now that the weather is changing and the temperature is increasing. So watch me as I show you how I take care of my plants during the summer and if they will survive or die in the summertime between now and September. So one of the things I want to discuss is that being an avid gardener myself, we always want to try to plant new plants and fruits or vegetables that we like or the family like a lot. And one of those plants is actually for our family is gooseberry. So gooseberries are one of my favorite fruits of my husband, being Egyptian, and it's very cheap there. And here in Dubai, we try to buy it as much as we can. However, they can be so costly because just one packet of around 150 grams can cost as much as around 20 dirhams or around $5 to $6 each pack, and that's why it's very pricey. So one of the first things which I decided last year in November is to try to grow the gooseberries. So guys, I'm in Carrefour. I just want to show you how Physalis looks like. So it's let me open the door. So this is a pack of 200 grams. So this is a pack of 200 grams, I think, and it's from Colombia. And as you can see, there's only a few fruits inside the box, and each fruit is covered in a thin skin shell. I think in the Philippines it's called the labor-labohan, and it's around 9.8 dirhams each pack, which is around $3 to $4 USD. So I started with just one fruit. I squeezed all the seeds on a pot filled with compost material, and was happy to see that the seeds have sprouted only like 3 to 4 weeks, and just one seed can produce around 100 seedlings. They started very slow at first in winter, but January, February, when spring came, they started flourishing very fast to where it is right now. So this is one of the plants, and I want to show you the other plants that I have. I have one here, and that's the second one, and a third one, fourth, fifth, and behind my tomatoes, my cherry tomatoes, there's another one, and another one, and two more there at the back. And this plant is actually the biggest shrub that I have right now. I have around, I think, 7 to 8 shrubs from that set of just one fruit. So around 4 weeks ago, they started flowering abundantly. However, there's no fruits. And just today morning, I noticed upon checking one of the shrubs that the flowers were starting to fall prematurely, and they are all dried up. And you can see one of the flowers and more flowers here. However, today morning I discovered that the flowers are dropping off, and I don't know the reason why it's doing that. And I have another one here. So I did my research from Mr. Google, and he advised me that there may be a couple of reasons why the flowers can drop. So the first reason being is it underwatered? Because right now the temperature in Dubai is reaching to 31 degrees Celsius. And a couple of days back, when I came back from school around 2 p.m., I noticed that one of the shrub just fell to the ground. So being a gardener, the first instinct is to water the plant. So that's what I did. So from that day, I started watering the plants 2 times a day, which is one morning, early morning, and the second one is in the afternoon around 2 to 3 p.m. So it should not be underwater. And the other reason is that if it's underwatered, then the leaves should curl. But they are not, and it look very healthy. So the second reason, can it be from pest or any disease on the plant or on the root system? But I don't think so, because I don't see any insects on the leaves, nor I don't see any weird thing happening on the plant system itself. So the third thing, can it be overwatered? I don't think so as well, because if it's overwatered, then you should see some of the leaves turning yellow, especially those which are near to the root system. So what should I do? So anyone who's following me, or anyone who has any experience growing these plants, please help me help the plant to produce fruits by commenting on the comments below your screen. So stay in tuned. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe now, because I will take you on a progress of how I will take care of this plant to make sure that they will give us fruits. First thing I will do is to put more water in the morning. Second thing that I will do is to put a mesh on top of those plants which are being hit by the direct sun. So stay tuned as I take you to the progress of my garden, especially now that the Dubai summer is fast approaching. And I will show you how I will take care of the rest of the garden to make sure that there is continuity of growth and health within my Dubai desert garden, especially entering the Dubai summer months from now until September, October. And I will show you also which other plants and vegetables that I will grow, and are they going to survive or not. So that's it for now, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.